Welcome back, YouTube enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving deep into the secrets of unlocking YouTube monetization and making a jaw-dropping $500 a day online. Are you ready to learn the untold strategies and techniques that can catapult your channel's success? Let's get started. Hey there, aspiring YouTubers. Before we jump into the lucrative world of monetization, it's essential to lay a strong foundation for your channel. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. You need dedication, consistency, and most importantly, quality content. Start by finding your niche. What are you truly passionate about? Define your target audience and cater your content to their interests. Building a loyal community is key to your channel's growth. Now let's talk about the requirements for YouTube monetization. To be eligible, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Don't be discouraged by these numbers. Focus on delivering valuable content and engaging with your viewers. Engaging content is the backbone of a successful YouTube channel. Grab your audience's attention from the start with eye-catching thumbnails and titles. Make your videos informative, entertaining, or both. Polish your video editing skills and experiment with different storytelling techniques. Keep your viewers hooked by maintaining a steady pace, incorporating visuals, and delivering your message effectively. Optimizing your channel is crucial for visibility and growth. Utilize relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Craft enticing video descriptions that provide context and encourage viewers to engage with your content. Don't forget the power of eye-catching thumbnails. Invest time in creating visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content. Remember, the thumbnail is the first impression viewers get, so make it count. To maximize your earnings, explore multiple revenue streams. Besides ads, consider sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise, and even crowdfunding. Diversification protects your income and opens doors for new opportunities. There you have it, aspiring YouTube moguls. With the right strategies, dedication, and a touch of creativity, you can unlock the potential to make $500 a day on YouTube. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, so stay consistent and never lose sight of your passion. Implement these tips, adapt to the ever-changing YouTube landscape, and watch your channel soar to new heights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insider tips and tricks on YouTube success. Until next time, keep creating and keep earning.